today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Shopify partner account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Shopify Partners website. You can do this by typing shopify.com/partners into the address bar, or by searching for Shopify Partners and selecting the official Shopify result. Make sure you are on the correct Shopify website before moving forward, because this is where you will create the account that gives you access to the partner dashboard. Once the page loads, take a moment to look over the Shopify Partners landing page. This page explains what the Shopify Partner Program is used for, such as building development stores, working with clients, and creating Shopify-related services. When you are ready to continue, look for the option that says something like Becoming a Partner, Join Now, or a similar call to action button. Click that button to begin the sign-up process. After clicking the sign-up option, Shopify may ask you to choose the type of business or partner area you want to focus on. This helps Shopify understand how you plan to use the partner program. For example, you may be creating stores for clients, offering services, building apps, or working in another Shopify-related area. Choose the option that best matches your purpose. If you are not completely sure, select the option that most closely fits what you plan to do with your partner account. Now you will be taken to the account creation section. Here, Shopify will ask you to enter an email address and create a password. Use an email address that you can access because you may need it later for account notifications, verification, or login purposes. When creating your password, choose something secure and unique. Avoid using simple words or information that could be easy to guess. This password will protect access to your Shopify partner account, so it is worth taking a moment to create it carefully. Once your login details are entered, continue to the next part of the form. Shopify will ask you to provide your business details. This usually includes information such as your business name, website, and address. Enter the information as accurately as possible. If you are setting this up for a business, use the official business details. If you are working independently, fill in the form using the details that apply to your work. This information helps complete your profile and allows Shopify to understand who is using the partner account. As you fill out the business details, move through the form slowly and check each field before continuing. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes in your business name, website, or address. If a field is required, Shopify will usually mark it clearly, so complete everything that is needed before moving on. Taking a little extra time here can help prevent issues later, especially if you plan to use the partner account for client work or store development. When all required information has been entered, look for the Create Account button. Before clicking it, quickly review the page one more time to confirm that your email, password, and business details are correct. Once everything looks good, click Create Account to submit your information and create your Shopify partner account. After you click Create Account, Shopify will process your registration. In some cases, you may see a short loading screen or a confirmation page. Once the account has been created successfully, you will be directed to your Shopify partner dashboard. This dashboard is the main area where you will manage your partner account and begin working with Shopify tools. Inside the partner dashboard, you can begin creating development stores. Development stores are useful for building and testing Shopify stores before they are transferred or used for real business purposes. This is one of the main reasons people create a Shopify partner account, especially if they plan to design stores, test features, or work with clients. That covers everything you need to know. You have now created a Shopify partner account and reached the partner dashboard, where you can start creating development stores.